Every creator in 2026 eventually faces a specific choice. Do you use AI to replace your presence entirely, or do you use it to solve the administrative bottlenecks that hold your production back? The first path relies on full generation. You feed prompts into a stack of tools to compress a 15-hour production cycle into a single hour of management. Protecting your authenticity usually means taking the traditional, manual route. However, avoiding AI entirely often caps your channel's growth velocity and increases the risk of burnout. We evaluate these strategies by plotting human effort against audience trust and ad revenue. Faceless automation sits bottom left, minimal effort but low viewer trust. Human-led augmentation sits top right, demanding effort but yielding the highest financial return. Success on YouTube now requires finding the specific balance between production speed and the preservation of your own authenticity. A fully automated generation pipeline is accessible on a minimal viable budget of about $45 a month. This stack uses ChatGPT for scripts, 11 Labs for voiceovers, and InVideo for visuals. Together, they allow a single operator to publish listicles and explainers daily. However, high volume often comes with a financial trade-off. AI voice channels frequently report RPMs below $2, while human-led channels regularly maintain baselines above $10. Viewers tend to click away faster when they detect the flat pacing of synthetic voices. This drop in retention directly reduces ad impressions and total earnings. There is also an operational risk. YouTube's Gemini system actively scans for repetitive, low-effort content during its originality checks. While synthetic voices are permitted, the platform often demonetizes channels that fail to add unique editorial value to their AI-generated outputs. Relying on a fully automated pipeline without human intervention typically results in high video volume but low financial sustainability. The augmentation workflow changes the focus. Here, the creator keeps their own face and voice as the core of the video, while using AI to handle the mechanical tasks. Many of the platform's highest earners prioritize human connection over synthetic efficiency. When expanding to international markets, they often pay professional voice actors to maintain the energy and emotional nuance of the original performance. Retaining that human vibe through localized dubbing helps maintain viewer retention and secures high RPMs across diverse global audiences. In this model, creators use AI to speed up visual production. They feed their own rough outlines into LLMs to generate structured prompts for tools like Gamma, which creates visual slide decks in seconds. On the editing timeline, tools like Auto Edit AI can scan raw footage to instantly remove silences and bad takes, a task that previously took hours of manual work. The creator still invests the time to record on camera, and they must manually check AI-generated metadata to ensure accuracy and prevent hallucinations. This strategy eliminates administrative friction while preserving the high RPM connection that actually drives a channel's revenue. A third, hybrid strategy, uses AI strictly for post-production optimization, specifically through automated SEO chapters. Tools like CastMagic can scan a finished human-led video to generate descriptive, keyword-rich timestamps for the description box. These descriptive chapters allow a single video to rank independently on Google Search for specific targeted queries found within the script. This visibility is increasing as AI chatbots begin to pull specific video segments to answer user prompts directly with cited video clips. To succeed here, the creator must perform keyword research to guide the AI, ensuring the chapters align with what the audience is actually searching for. Optimizing your structural metadata allows your human-led content to capture search traffic and compound passive views it would otherwise miss. Choosing the correct pipeline depends entirely on the type of content you intend to produce. To find your strategy, identify your primary asset. Is the value your personality or the information itself? If your channel relies on storytelling, full AI generation alienates your core audience, causing the lower retention and weak RPMs of automated niches. For these channels, the recommendation is an augmentation stack, where AI is limited to handling B-roll, rough cuts, and metadata. If your channel provides dense information, like finance or tech reviews, a generation stack allows you to prioritize volume and scale. This model allows you to publish frequently enough to reach YouTube's monetization thresholds in a fraction of the time. Even in an automated workflow, you must invest human effort into script quality and prompt engineering to avoid being flagged by platform spam filters. AI handles the mechanical work of production. Your role as a creator is to maintain the editorial judgment that selects the topics and hooks capable of connecting with a human audience.